Pila yo result, pikwa admission thamai ban puli nurse ban paramedical course hakiway niki chaka puli wa paunam hari India. One chaka East-West Group of Institution Bangalore, kaplay thodak Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, jia ki course ki ba mi screen jonki, kam kloy ba do not seats, ban tep company a phone ni contact ya ki neki number harum.
Hi guys, my name is Daniel. I'm an addict. I stopped taking drugs now. It's been going to be 2 years, but I relapsed on another substance. So now I start coming here to this fellowship to get my recovery back. That's it.
Thank you kata Marvin. Wajib. Using the adam kita kembang kasar senam kalai senam. Mentah dengan shop kota lah jantan di senam. Saya kendai posisi.
I am Vishal. I am also a recovering addict. Till now I am 6 years clean.
Saya Richard. Mentang lah asyong kuat lah tayo arsen. Asnem dia mentang lah asyong kuat lah asnem. Kami ni mesti kadusap. Jenis yang ada lah. Kum asnem kadai asnem ya. Dia mentang green time jangan lang running 5 months.
5 months.
Keteng lari bat ngala ngop ni jadi dia san senam je mentang ngala don kapanai.
I'm Brandon, a recovering addict. I have been using drugs for the past 7 to 8 years, and now I'm clean for 6 months.
I myself Krishan, the addict by the grace of God, but I also start program fellowship I've been having today. I've been active addiction for the past 12 years, and now I've been clean and sober for 6 months. So I just want to give a message to the suffering addict and using addict: never lose hope. Hold on, patience. Thank you.
Yes.
Let's say the addict's prayer. Our lead, please follow. God, bless all the addicts. Wherever they may be. Bless all those unfortunate. Who are in most need of recovery. Look upon them. With compassion and mercy. And lead them on. In this wonderful fellowship. So that only through you. They may help themselves. As you have helped us. And thousands of others. Bless those who are clean today. Give grace to those who are on their way. But God, please show your compassion and mercy. To those who may never come. A moment of silence for the still suffering addicts.
God.
Grant us facility to accept the things we cannot change, courage to change the things we can, and wisdom to know the difference. Keep coming back.
Kibriu keblakal naga jingim gaba kebni di drugs kila ong paga jing bek thong ban penleran ya kitu kibriu ke bedi drugs daga ba penklamra kamla penkala ya jingim ke jongki ka jing penkala ya ke ba kebni di drugs kamlong ke basok bat ke chimpor pha bat yakani de ban le daga ba ya slop ha aimen sim ha krokom ka bade habay kran menta ka singi uba bari uwe nagi bala naga jing kebni di drugs ulong Bagajing kendrai kinong di drugs, bantat yaki hapring ki pajba, bante ban bom, ban kta kti yaki, bat kumju yaka yeng kasem, pada kajaka ban kan wanra yaka jing pha, kala pensniu shushu penban. Uba bari uloong, baka kia ru kadai kawai nak drugs, ka bat rim tam haka berthai, haka bagi briu kila shuya di pathar. Banchu kendra kumbale, ka saw kanumla ban ne slam namar, bakan don tang jing kala haka jaka balik kendra. Henry ujo ubreu ne wat drugs shakibai bat ki jaka par kabadon kam kalong ban waru ya ki nong wan ra yo drugs tang yo nong di drugs ulong baladon kam ya ki jinge trailang jong baro na du ka sarkar ka chnong ki balang pat ki seng bat kum juru banyele persha yo drugs uba bari ulong bakat kum ki jingtip na ka health and family welfare ministry hamigalia na ki shispa ngut ki bakarni di drugs khadar ngut ki don ya ki jingpang HIV way na preng sangut udon ya hepatitis C, but way na preng kishpongut udon ya hepatitis B.
The number one is, what we wanted to gather here to show and portray that recovery is very much possible, and we are there, people who are in recovery, who have come out of drug addiction, and who are doing well and are stable. This is not being portrayed enough. I think too many aspects of addiction is being only shown as a negative part of it. The positive aspect of it is not being shown. And that is why this gathering has been called today, so that everyone can see that yes, there are positive aspects that come out of addiction. We are not condoning drugs, saying that oh, everyone should get into drugs. No, but those who fall prey to drugs, there is a way out, and that way out is before you here today. Basically, for us from Meghalaya Users Forum, we are a congregation of people who are in recovery, and we also help and have members who are people who still using drugs and who are trying to give up drugs more. So the main goal is to advocate for their rights, their legal rights, their health rights, which is very important. Many of them are very much susceptible to things like HIV, STI, okay, hepatitis C, B. So so many aspects of it are there that no one is really catering to. Okay, you have just a few couple of targeted interventions in the entire state, which are run by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, that actually cater to these needs, which is not enough. More, come along sufficient. So I think Barbary also can just add to that little bit more. Dream project actually see so far it has not kicked into reality more. I don't want to be sarcastic, but then I have to speak the truth. They have invited us for many consultations and so on and so forth. Things are all on paper. I have not seen anything really taking off as such. Okay. Recently, the Molai Town Dorbar had got some, I don't know, funds to run a kind of camp and counseling and service center. But I have not really heard anything from their end also. Means reaching out to the community. I think we all need to work together. Right. I think the government has to work with community leaders and community as a whole so that this problem can be addressed. Otherwise, what is going to happen is only a select number of people from the state will get those services and the rest will be left with nothing. So addiction is not being addressed, no? No. Honorable Social Welfare Minister said that there are more than 2 lakh plus drug users in Meghalaya. Okay. Recently, NGOs have apprehended around 24 drug users and put them in rehabilitation centers. So where's 2 lakhs and where's 24? So that huge gap in between. So it's not even scraping. I won't even call it scraping. It's just like, just grains. So much more has to be done. Until we all join hands and work together, I don't think it's going to work. And one more thing I just would like to add over here. By force, nobody changes. I never changed by force. Barbary didn't change by force. No one in this room, you can ask them, has changed by force. Okay? You can take a boy, slap him, hit him, put him in lockup, put him in rehab. When he comes out, I give you a written guarantee he will use drugs again. So where have you solved the problem? So why don't we do this? This is a message to all the various NGOs out there. When you apprehend or you see such kind of drug users in your locality, Dong, Snong, wherever it may be, reach out to proper NGOs or people like who are from this background, who have expertise. Send them for the right motivational counseling so that they are motivated to change. Unless a person is motivated to change from inside, you cannot force the change upon him.
Kung ngayon batay baka jingop jonga ka jingdi drugs ka day limba ka namar mencuang adi kena abadi kiat ba bukan cuma bandi kiat tang sudi kiat ama mau mencua lahuri hurabe mo lahuri hura tang sudi kiat lahuri hurabe da kem step tapi ka dolak ka lapan na kitia ka snong sabat snong na kitia police station na kamau ime mencua yang ada iwan wadam na raja yang inzang mena madarting police station udah 6 dah nong tu memang senang temai police station dan one so I'm kha tin lap ingai ku ni police station long kami hap sa khlet ta sudi kiat la avri hrabe te ang kamau bang alet kita ni ki pelok jong ki bedi drugs ma te ham keno ki ma keno ki te tang ni chong kai bet ki ang kamau ngadi betang kiat bet adi betang kiat bet maki ki di bet drugs ngong nam di drugs ma te goi gas ni aku mong ta lang nom ma mat kai ang tas ni oi ko aman curiosity mo kami sidong ni kuat tip dot long omno te dalak ta dalak adi ada tus ni poyeng kloi yang recommend poyeng kloi ada ni lah kelane lah beli nama te katu jing di pat apa poyeng sa jingop ta te ha poy ru pui put bangam tip bangala ni ama kwa ye ada kamer long so thot kamer long jerho senria kisiet long me kijing pang ha withdrawal mo sidong te tang ladi uta jing di pat ada long la maram na kamen ada long le amta Tere am no ale chim dawai. Mon ie na ta, yang rai kha dalam game sha. Tere chim dawai ban ie tang rice ni tulak. Balai ni saus ni aku di yang tu jai. So this has been going on for the past 9 years. More continuous 9 years. Long Hamdan rehab, Hamdan ki support group, Hamdan ni ki target intervention program so kam partip di por sudi bai. Ngapoi kadu kapi po du bang la bukan tina po building ru mar bang mkwa sudah mat imne jingem. Lapoi we po du bang la ODL de ngakamau dan san ki to si, dan san ki to si ngakamau la yam. Nambang la clear tu pun ada IDU injecting drug user la inject ni man kong ring shits. Ngakamau la mudi tu drugs. Dan bok usan ki ulong u le ataru ko man pensi na da bang guna na to syringe. Ni dia bang dung lu tu singi la yam. Temot try kumashit ong mok tin pareng God has plans for us. Boleh tu start, boleh bertip blood. Ma. Ti anda don we perlu jonga baru ba message ba khot ke nyanga. Ya message ni support group meeting ma. Tapi ni adik am ilong curious adu wata ba jingle am dia jingle ma kwa angkala di kwa ke le yon tele pikai. Mdira bang kwa kala. Ane dang alit bagi support group, alit bagi tu meeting am. That is the first place bahajing jonga bagi on keep coming back. Amang ada joi beliau kat sabale yang asakan tai, kat sini sini bayi yang asakan tai. Hayang asa mi paru kepala pisa iru long asakan tai dah. Amar beli ngarung ale eta. Ngarung ale gitu gijai kam. Le sini bayi yang dipet yang atur kam makama baklar ini dong ablak kau sana. Bakar kono jing arang yang sama. They are like begini support group yang keep coming back. That is the only place that I feel accepted, I feel loved. Orang kemudian ni kibri yang keep coming back lah yang apa kibri apa society kibet lo lah yang ada. That's the love, that's the attraction that I get. Dan anda ngalik yang kamu pada ngalik ingkong tu mesti masalah yang ngalik mo. Ngalik yang ladi dengan apa khat ngap pencuti air siapa. But at the end of the day ngap pencuti air dia. Ngap pencuti dia. But yang keep coming back. That's the love I get. Till today, long bang alik basic meeting. Just recently, I've completed 3 years clean and sober again from every mood out of myself. The message jonga yaki kejingle kejing tombo jongi kena mo ba none of us get clean by force. None of us get clean by jing shasho ahiyang. Na jing shasho kay imlang sa lang ni jing shapet ben. Tanga jing ji. Namar kumba sidong ba bariru ba berkhanya ni property dan ni great ba nong pertai dah kinong iba gitu rulers semua Alexander Hitler they always use long by force dah pada mitan makan mau itu tang justru mah bang ba tangka tang life senam ba ministry jung uri tang life senam berbarok ikan mau you principle of love tadi itu principle of love kan yaki society yaki melang salang ba kumbang ba jari mentandat addiction is a disease. It affects in 3 folds: mental state, physical state, and spiritual state. Spiritual state in the sense that kibri kibaladi long kimdan dai jinge dai no menoro hayang asam no mendan society no mendan baladi ro kimdan in the mental sense but fin lap baik badi kiburi criminal activities ado kan ne nama desto obsessed ne ngan di ne ngan thiet ne ngan tu kim perkhat ai to atu kala shuya be in the physical sense fin ikini ki ada kilong barai kho ba long mamju abam sagi jingpang tengi hap takelo de kini ki 3 state ken kenang mau nilam yoga apa recovery tengi dia berso tho ba it is a disease ide ban treat dikikum as a disease mde bang mangima dia disease lalu American Medical Association, World Health Organization since 1986 classified that addiction as a disease. Ngakamam siya po ngarong ngalangat ken it was in the year 2015 16 iman ang kamaw siya apivili yang sabar ken tang mau sabar tu Tui bala le buat drugs em tu mau sahabat pada MV kemudian bohong tai berkhat yang no one of us get clean by force until now the clean no kemudian dah katu ka jing kwa kala ka wan la dia dah katu you have to have that willingness dah kum begini ya penga kan tui ki adik jongi ki bedona ko street ki bedang di mentaro kum ba fijan katu willingness ba fi what they drugs you go to any lengths ya ka recovery if you have double kinya to willingness if you have double that willingness Jom tang ale thiet drugs nani sha boy the way recovery ha nani sha body that willingness has to be double lah and ki baro ki addict jungi man please let chaki rehab. Tapi nak one pine rehab, please one wat nami. Nama penye ki bila kita cari rehab kita buat rehabilitation kita kita put bagi kena ada push rehab. Pada kita pasal tu bah dalam one rehab untuk kan. Nilai kan. Hoi hari rehab tu hoi kinsa hari rehab hoi hari rehab tu kita macam cakap saya ki kimyo ada drops. Antu kita set bed. After coming from that, then what? Antu kan that's where they need the support group. That's where they need the church. That's where they need the society to understand the love, the acceptance from society kan. Rehab malah let menshua ngakam nak ada macam kloy. Honestly speaking kan dia bang kan banyak rehab na. Oh kita kiwi ki balak men rehab, kita kiwi ki balak through taka jing IT lo choble barok long total surrender mission dong kata total surrender mah bagi elo dulu secret kuat barok dah. Dan bagi support group jing meeting kan.
Cái kata ga satu kata ka fight je kun je pi ban kala bonum phai biam su.
Ani ka fight te ka jong palat jadi bang abotai bro isni lo konom kod dah. Dengan to be honest, I till today the prank jungi don't give in kun sabe. It's just that I don't ki ka ki to ki thoughts belong disturb ne ki jinglong boring ne ki jinglong you. Tak tahu we need we here with the fellowship, we here with the support group system dah. Number when I share with someone it heals. Commission ong tin parang sharing is healing. Up until today ro ada problem you dengan share we barki. But ini par ngam share. Barki bhayeng ro ngam share. Share with members, share babri rasanya so tam ta please I suggestion them. Teng babri phone ya zion tam ta let no I suggestion them. It's all about therapeutic help, one addict helping another, one recovering addict helping another. Mentah develop kia keman email par recommend to ipar dari syuklat ada mentah plak dai benai at least kajing keman show bin let nyopat ilai yang abang alap yang kuat tolong kata itu tiki bahiyang asam recommend dan we samla jong abai bai adan mangaru masya bai kam in oyang aru turu ya keman
Menta almost 10-11 years I done active addiction. Then menta 18 months on clean. Point up there, firstly it was curiosity. You done saw some family problems, peer pressure. Kitu iki ba pen point up ya. Substance kin. Kumno banga you there. Me personally, I was always rejected everywhere I went. So finally I found this place again where they accepted me, they loved me, they kept calling me back. So that started my process of change, because even me also, like when I first started using any kind of substance, I did not ever think, I'll be addicted to this substance, I'll have to lie for this substance, I'll have to do all of the things that I don't want to do just so that I can quench the physical craving again. But I had to do all of those things because this addiction disease was inside of me, and that thing I did not understand. Even I did not understand that it was a disease. I thought that I was making bad choices. I was not a good person, and that is all because of the society. The society has been portrayed in such a way where they discriminate addicts. There's one saying that I've read somewhere. It says, "Hate the addiction but love the addict." Because no one ever thought, none of us who are here in this room ever thought that they'll come to this stage where they'll be addicted. They'll have to go to a rehabilitation center to stop. They won't have the will to stop. So it's just that. And I would also like to add a few points regarding these all of the topics which have just been covered just now. The other pressure groups and all, whatever they're doing, it would have been very beautiful if they could have cooperated with the proper people who are experts in this background, because the things that they are doing, maybe they're doing it because they do not have enough of knowledge. They do not know how to go about it. They do not know, for example, I've heard that they've been sending people to rehabilitation centers. So they need to follow up, is that rehabilitation center a good one? What are being done in that rehabilitation center? Because if you send a person to a rehabilitation center, keep him there for a year, for 2 years, when he comes out, if no inputs have been given inside, if inside he's not been taught to, when you go out you meet with these support groups, or he's not been shown the way, then there's no use. He's just there for abstinence period. When he comes out, again it'll be the same story, and the hole that he's dug himself in, it'll just be deeper. over it, for me, like I was, my family members took me to rehabilitation center. Actually, there was someone from this group itself who came and gave me the message at first. So it was very different for me, because everywhere I went, my family members always threatened me. I was getting like rejected by society everywhere I went, but this time it was something different. They spoke to me with love and all, and they told me about this rehabilitation center, about the 12-step program. So I went. So even then, like when I was there, I thought that when I come out, I won't use again. I'll lead a good life. But when I came out, see, this is also the problem. When I came out, there was nothing going on for me. No jobs, no nothing, no motivation. So in fact, like there was no motivation. So I went back to my old lifestyle again. So that kept on happening, and it kept on happening, and it finally reached a point where physically I was totally like in a physical crisis, mental crisis, spiritual crisis as well. And so like I just I stopped listening to the voices in my head, and I listened to the suggestions from the support groups and all. So I've been working with them, meeting with them, fellowshipping with them, and basically that's how like I'm able to stay clean till this day. So like for people like us, for me also, I'm a recovering addict. Okay, but then my message to them is like, it's simple, that addiction is a disease. Addiction is a disease. Firstly, the addict needs to understand that. Then only he can come forward. He can like choose ways and means, like which way to go in order for him to get the best treatment possible. As long as I don't understand that addiction is a disease, I might go to various religious places and all. I do not know where to go. I do not know where to go, to get the help that I need. So basically, I would just say that, and also for the society to understand that addiction is a disease. And our request is, please treat it like a disease, like any other diseases. Please treat it like that itself. So.
Ngangan ong hok ba nga kampoy to rehab like willingly, but then when I was in rehab, it was an eye opener for me. But all those things that were going on bangam juso tu ba baling along kumni, I was taught there that because of this jingpang kay banga don ka disease of addiction banga, I felt all these feelings, all these emotions. Why banga hapet bi siya jingdi jonga. And after I knew that, I understood, but I don't need my drugs anymore. I need a support group. I need the love, and with that I have hope. And now that I have hope, I can stay clean. From a very early age, I always thought I was different. Like I didn't belong anywhere, because I grew up without a father, and my mom was never around with me. So I was already feeling rejected. So just to mask those sense at a very early age, ngalas dang dikiat, ngalas dang dikenja, ngalas dang dikiat na ka khadway khadarasnam, ngalas dang dikiat. Tang mangan mas te over years kumto ngalas dang kumbaong ka disease yung ikadi kadon three symptoms kalong dissatisfaction, progressive, and loss of control. So from an early age ngaladon bit ko dissatisfaction with life nga klam kwa em sho naro dangret hingam ju kwa em na mga sobe ba I was rejected. So as I grew up, I started feeling more accepted with these groups, but di kan kibadi kiat kibadi mga sobe banga na di ngalong kung mga la ban syong ba kini ngala ban tolerate ikibreo siya, and people actually accepted me because the way I spoke without my substance, without no one could accept me in school, everywhere. So as I grew up, ngalas dang bangan graduate kin haki jingdi, ngalas dang di so kenja, ngalas dang mix so kenja ba kakiat te ha apa bangadap kanyaw katrasnam te hatu kipor nga I made like many bad decisions in life ngayok kon ha ka age badang red te at that time ngaladon sa pressure hakle, and after that ngalalong I was hopeless. More from the hopeless state, I was even more hopeless at that time. So I was just looking for anything to just get me away from this reality. Tengah hantung ngap so drugs kan. Sedang di so heroin. Ningkong sedang bencis. And when I started using long bit, at least now I feel like I have the will to live and all. But then slowly that thing that was making me feel alive was starting to make me feel like I want to die even more. Mangal angop haduk kata ba na yami may hayeng ro. Bay dan pisah rongang hapan namar bakamet kapan. Na yeng ro kidan hakapot ba kitip nang hakim ai ro nganit tu. Nganit ngalak banik lut beriu. Te hakata ki ai ben ngaladang long hopeless show. And then they nakani ka group bangayo taka message. But then at that time I was not willing enough, so I had to go to rehab. I went to rehab. After going to rehab, that is where I felt the same way Siddhant felt. But kumno kibri ki keren spang ka topic jonga kumno ki tips panga ki la ya thun na yeng namar counselor jonga kat book I class ini ngaso be book keren kalai story jonga tenga mau be kumtanga. At that time, I don't get a willingness bangan. At least try and accept some things that why everything was going wrong was because I had this disease of addiction in me. And after that, I meet Shabar ka rehab. I met with the support group, and this is the support group that the only place where they said keep coming back. One batch ngi nadan kami ay call ngi what da imay nga ro unsay judan syo akata ka pugba nga na call mga o nga nadan kam jakasar inum asyo. Kini ki belong fellow members yang ki done be yang in every step of life and and I'm very grateful to even go through all that addiction now because I can see there is a light at the end of the tunnel and because of this group and all done ko hope mga I can be someone, I can be at least motivate someone to leave that life behind. Because it's just guilt, shame, remorse, but in that life addiction, namday ra bangi kwa banginde, ngim kwa ra bandi ngi por bangini ningkong ngi kamot ra bangin ngop kato ato, ngi kamot ra bangin hapto tamba in the end ngila ngop ngila janja ngila sakot jing sakamahi. And one more thing bang ong ba nga laju syak syok hayeng, syak Shabar, syak kata ka jing syak syok am ka kwa syok bangan di syok bangan height ya katu kasih nga kam kwa ra bangan na katu kadang ala kwa syok bangan di buri syok bang nganum dan kam ban tip syok banganum ken mau re katu jing syak syok banganum ken mau re katu jing syak penlek ran and in the end baka pensyong khot yang ka diga jing na kan ka guru tahir.
मतलब मेरा जर्नी भी सेम है ना, हम लोग इधर जितना भी है इधर मेरा भी जर्नी सेम ही है. तो इनिशियल पीरियड में तो हाँ मेरा दिमाग मतलब ठीक नहीं था ना, क्या कर रहा है हम. तो मैं ऐसा टोपीबाज आदमी है ना कि मतलब मैं अपना घर में भी मतलब पापा कुछ बोलने से ना मैं सोचता था मैं पापा है, वो पापा नहीं है ना. तो ऐसा मतलब मैनिपुलेट करता था ना घर में. तो क्योंकि ऐसा है ना, नशा में क्या कर रहा है वो मुझे भी मालूम नहीं था. मैं क्या चीज़ हूँ, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं कहाँ पहुँच गया. तो सब हम लोग एक एंजॉयमेंट में ट्रैप हुआ वाला बंदा लोग है ना. तो आप इधर से सबको पूछ लीजिए ना, रूम में जितना भी है, हम लोग कोई भी एडिक्ट होगा बोल के नहीं पीता है ना. हम लोग सब एंजॉयमेंट में ट्रैप हुआ ना. तो वही, और बोलेगा तो ये आपका जो OST वगैरह है ये एक मतलब बोलेगा तो कंफर्ट जोन है ना, कि रोज जाओ ना, सिग्नेचर करो, पैसा नहीं लग रहा है, पियो. तो यही सब मतलब चल रहा था ना मेरा भी. मतलब जो मैं बहुत मतलब दिल से चाहता था ना निकलने का लिए, मगर कुछ उपाय ही नहीं था मेरा, कुछ रास्ता ही नहीं मिल रहा था ना. मतलब अटक चुका था वो दलदल में और निकलना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया था ना. तो ये सपोर्ट ग्रुप जो मुझे मिला ना, तो वो भी एक मतलब बोलता है ना, ये रिकवरी एक मतलब जर्नी है ना, डेस्टिनेशन नहीं है ना. तो वही मतलब थोड़ा बहुत समझा ना, ट्रस्ट किया ये प्रोसेस को. तो धीरे धीरे आते रहा. तो ऐसा सोचता था फर्स्ट जब मैं मीटिंग आता था, मेरे घर वाले ने मतलब कुछ बोला है क्या इनको, ये मतलब मेरे ही स्टोरी शेयर कर रहा था ना, तो मतलब मैं मीटिंग के बाद बोलता था क्या कुछ बोल रहा है क्या, मतलब कुछ घर वाले ने कुछ कंप्लेन किया मेरे बारे में आप लोग को ना, तो सब स्टोरी वगैरह बोल रहा है, तो मतलब एक इच्छा जगा ना मेरा अंदर कि हाँ अरे मीटिंग तो जाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मेरा स्टोरी बग रहा है उन लोग, अरे क्या हो गया, मतलब मैं बग सकता हूँ मगर वो मतलब कह रहा है ना मेरा स्टोरी, तो वैसे ही मीटिंग आते रहा, मतलब धीरे धीरे ना तो बदलाव आने लगा। तो वही मतलब मैं तो सोचता भी नहीं था मैं मतलब आज यहाँ हो पाऊँगा बोल के ना, अगर मैं नशा कर लेता तो आज तो यहाँ आपके मतलब सामने नहीं, मतलब मैं फेस ही नहीं कर पाता ना ये सिचुएशन को। तो वही मतलब ग्रेटफुल है ना आज का दिन में कि मतलब ये सब मुझे इतना अच्छा फेलोशिप मिला है, इतना मतलब सपोर्ट ग्रुप मिला है। तो और मुझे इतना भी मालूम है कि मतलब एक प्रॉपर रिहैबिलिटेशन सेंटर में भी यही कहा जाता है कि बाहर निकलने के बाद कोई सपोर्ट ग्रुप से मतलब स्टिक टू द विनर्स, मतलब प्रोग्राम ही कहता है ना स्टिक टू द विनर्स। तो वही मतलब अगर प्रॉपर मतलब प्रॉपर तरीका से मतलब वो किया जाए तो हाँ रिकवरी बहुत पॉसिबल है। क्योंकि मैंने मतलब मैं ट्रीटमेंट नहीं लिया, मैंने रिहाब नहीं बैठा, तो यही मतलब कि मैं बहुत शुक्रिया अदा हूँ ना कि मुझे ये ग्रुप मिला है। तो और मुझ जैसे मतलब ना एक टोपीबाज आदमी को मतलब प्यार के तरफ से ना, अरे मेरा ऐसा हालत हो चुका था कि एक कुत्ता तक नहीं पूछता था मुझे ना, तो वो मतलब आज का दिन में मतलब बहुत खुशी लगता है ना कि हाँ मुझे प्यार देने वाला, अरे मेरे घर वाले भी मुझे मतलब समझ नहीं पाते थे ना, तो ऐसा हो गया था ना हालत। मैं मतलब रिकवरी में आके भी बहुत चीज़ फेस करना पड़ता है ना, क्योंकि रिकवरी भी अप्स एंड डाउन्स का खेल है ना। तो यही ना ये चीज़ यही है कि मतलब खुद से खुद का लड़ाई है, तो वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर आवरसेल्फ ना। तो वही मतलब धीरे धीरे मतलब वो माइंड स्टेबल होने लग गया, मुझे मालूम चला कि क्या करना है, व्हाट इज़ रॉन्ग एंड व्हाट इज़ राइट ना। तो वही बोलेगा कि अपना जो भी मतलब जो विक्टिम है, तो जो भी मतलब नशा में अभी तक मतलब है वो भाई लोग को यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि मतलब हाँ मतलब बहुत सारा क्योंकि मैंने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया है, क्योंकि मैं मतलब एक दो इवेंट जाके देखा है कि मतलब मुझे तो लगता ही नहीं था कि मैं नशेड़ी हूँ कह के ना, उन लोग का स्टोरी जब मतलब सुनने से। तो वही सब मतलब कि हम लोग सच में मतलब रिकवर हो सकता है ना, आगे भी रास्ता है, मतलब बस मतलब खुद के मैं मतलब इतना भी जानता हूँ कि मतलब वो इनिशियल पीरियड में ना खुद पे भी मतलब उतना भरोसा नहीं होता है, एक होप बोलने वाला चीज़ तक नहीं होता है ना, लो सेल्फ स्टीम होता है, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता है। तो वो सब मतलब ये अपना ये होम ग्रुप जो है, ये सपोर्ट ग्रुप है, जो फेलोशिप है, मतलब उन्होंने मुझे इतना स्ट्रांग बनाया जो आज मैं यहाँ आपके साथ।
Itu ki bapak bendi teng kumblai ong aiza te curiosity dekat bahaba naik tak hira te bahaba avoid namar kum mangar rumah nikong ngaru kamut ra bangan di ngaswa bangan try tang sisin arsin katu katang sisin arsin ni kapen koy nga satu ka jing bangar nga asdang isi along very manipulative, deceitful, kan itu semua bang along kumno te kitu ki badang still struggling lu apa nong ba kumno on the road you have gone in your addiction, there is always a way back, and just believe in the power of your own resilience. That ongi don batre ni man baru te kilaban wan kendu ini tengi laban yelam mengi ski meeting bengi julong sanong siliang tengi don twice a week, every Tuesday and Friday tengi laban yelam mengi kilaban kendu ini sini te ta tengi empat don back to ki inu ki visiting card ni te ki kwa ban wan ti kilaban wan kendu ini hani ne ka laban ngilaban eye contact number ini tengi iwe ti kilaban contact ini ki kwa ban wan.
hakini ki bana kita yo bla lej bang isu I bitang I ka bolong very negative sepang ka addiction ngai ru ba kadon gajing khanra ki jaka baki khna ki don ha gajing kitu ki bang apa gajing kerni di drugs but kalong ke ru ko bosmosi but namar ba sisin bang yong hiban wanra jing kala how drugs ken ngide ban kali la dia tu ngila nem ban tre shidhem dan ngidon em kata gajing aisha ban yai tre namar ladang kajing tre kajing shidhem jongi kalong gum sao tu kan saja no tang sipor namar ya mentahi ban supet hoj ki kadon kajing khanra kadon le se kajing nong nu kajing pen le rani ki khna ki ba ngop kajing di drugs hadu baki kimi ki pa bapli kim nut ban wan mi khmat ngila mut hi ban ya keren ngila mut hi ban ai jing tho an rengi perkhat pa ka bah ka met pa jong baro tingong in kan la kham thanda la dien dhabut tengin sa ya keren pa de kani te habangi I tu ki jing le am tolong kalong ke pa ko susi ba katu ke jing le ka jong ki kanom la ki jing kelaro hoi ngila le khanra po yo ngila le khanra po pulu an rei ba mentahi ngi ba only the place changes people have not changed kibrio ki jaka ban le thidrak se po yo la le no shawai kinong de bla de bandi shawai la long la sakmalon te takadau ladangi don ke jing sidham bante ki mlang salang nei ke jing tre ke jongi ke dong kandei ban long ke continuous kedai ban long continuous ngidon por menta ban libat yu khna obla kerni di drugs apo yo apo polo and ngidei bru bandan ke jing sidham kin ban ngintip ba bali tu khna apo hadu tu pot bali tu khna apo hadu tu pot hatung ngidon em kata ke jing sidham pat ba nginlek pa chi school kum kiseng ba pher ngili che ki school banaya awareness ini kendu na samla ka dong ba pher ngili keren ngidon em kata jing e para riu ruban wanra ka jing lala dangi ibu kena na ka dong u kena na ka ying ka sem la ni na ka kur ka jongi u ya ka lenti bam de hatu ngidon por ne em banle ja selok yu ningi ap betang lanu bunjot bengin yo ban penle ran ti ha ka jing em jonga kum riu ru ken ngan chu anga ba ka bakodor tam hangi gede gejing kay ka buram radai ka buram jonga pipin le ran pithat hadu ba next time thareng anda sakem monum le ran chu namar kalong bun sin ni kita larangi kem yu we khuna abadi rat rada man ka por ni yu aban kem yu ka along gumangi that yu unja ka tu gejing le ran hadin ka tu gejing ka jingkwa jong gejing kala ha uru kanuman chu ka jinjar ba namar ba majaba mentahi habangi ngipet kumno bante lakam ni ka yauni u drugs sapo kan ni imlang salang ka kidon ki restart ki bladon kalenti kan ni haban ya trilang namar yaba mentahi ho agi tu kijing khnrang I tu kijing lech kajing that jujing sa that tu ki khna ki bekerni ha ka drugs labon ma handai kalong kai pat ka ba nong kumno ngimdon crisis pat hapo ka imlang salang mensha por ba hakapor jongi por bangindang di na syakem we yu kena obadi drugs yang thmai por si silong nom yo drugs yo jinja banwat namar lighting rot henrei menta pat katu kajing khanra katu kajing lek ke jongki mo ban kem mi to ka bosnosi kalong ningkong e gi yo tangi victims kimyo tau big dealer ing akhlami I kerteng kita ki big dealer kita ki baladi de ka senduk ngai ba khoi nang tu gi ba syakem ka bosnosi kalong ba itu kita tangki kena ki bakerni haka di drugs ngim yo I kita ki briu ki ba buat dakaan lu twet kan te ki ba khanjat kentet haka jing tre long kadon kajing ko te takadaw na kaliang jongi kwa hi ba long ninda long ka bala ayele ban tre lang namar ba ban takil hi lani ban te lakam yu drugs haka imlang salang jongi ya kum ba kilong ki briu kadon lai teli ka benta kawe ka supply reduction kata kade ka kamlam jong ka sarkar batte lakam yu drugs kumno burung saka imlang salang ka jongi ka demand generation lani ka demand reduction ka bangi khot kata kade ka jing selok ka jing awareness program ka jing ki awareness program di tang por bayu opisa lani bom yu opisa ka jing selok ka jongi kumno bangin yele baki khna ki bampadi ki nom ngap drugs kino ki khna ki balangop bakin light da ka jing ya selok barkawe ka bakhado pat ka di ka harm reduction ka bamata mingi menta ngan su ai nuksai pi arpos na mensha po Manipur Nagaland hapor pasdang banjile drug ngakma to ko por ki porlok jongi gitu ki ong ba ni siti te bandalap underground dan itu tahu leno mong si khot bandalap leno ni saksiat don busak siap no fosil don busak berngam deki underground te baru khoj de kilet into hiding ha ka jingting baru khoj bun bayari nomor ting hi sa siap tama ke ga baje pet ya ka HIV case pet ya ka hep C case pet ya ka jingpang ba per gizdang mi namar ba rengkat ni hab bene trelang ka supply reduction ru kadon ka demand reduction ru kadon ka harm reduction ru kadon ka harm reduction kumba ki niki NGO ki le ki badan hapo jong kamax kadi ban penduna swai ka jingma ka bami nu drugs la bandai ko overdose death ba ar kawan ka HIV hepatitis C hepatitis B kini jingpang ba per na kani ka jingle ka jongi da ka bangi that kini kena ladang ni bernyam mi kini kena man show ban sim service ka ba ma kalong ba yo mentangi yelek bentek lah kami kawi gejing sniu kami pasal kawi gejing sniu nomor ya ba mentahi katkum ka data ka bangi yo luna ka Ministry of Health and Family Welfare ngitip bahami khlaya lada test his pa ngut ku ki kena ki ba krni di drugs mut khalar ngut kinde ki badan HIV te naka uwei na prengkisan ngut udai badan hepatitis C but uwei na prengki shipong ngut udai badan hepatitis B te kum kini ki don ki ba kumangi ong habangi pet ya ki bakerni ya ka jingpang demo nimdai ban pet tangi ka physical aspect jong brio ban te ban bom yu ban pelera yu ban pencengai de drugs naman ngi haban pet ya ka komperkat ya ka mental ga jong ngi haban pet nang ni ngai ni khna ngi don nut krui hang ni nang ni ngasih keli manu na pedeng jong pi ki bampat don kata ka jingmut ban society de baru kai kias ngap normal wat dangar ha kapor bangadi mencuangam kwa sebong bangandi adu dukerni bangantu bangan sedang menle ki kam ki bal along anti social kwa hi bandi yang sedang kuman pensutanat LD lei ngop ho ni jinjar don ki por ki bangila kwa yap bro don teng nang ni na pedeng jongi bun ki bala persang pinikiran begini kena pun ki bala persang ban peniap ladi pen overdose dan bala mon pasino pun bagi jingkia kita kata bangi mut banile ya te lakam hiu drugs ka jela ka jongi de banwan ra ke jing stulam ke jing tiplam namar ba mansupil era ni ki brio tanga si ong ka fosi kan la banwan ra kanu ke jing kala piwan la banwan ra jing kala si por bagiti you can bring fear into them pila banwan ra ke jing ting hendai la sai ka juhi takara ong de ban trace hem ke jing sit hem jongi ka di ban ya dan tertanya lah khat san senam ngalak teria kini ka feel ngas ngok kumang kadang scratch na surface